Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on location history in Google Opinion Rewards. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser on either iOS or Android. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Next, scroll down and click on More Settings. From the More Settings option, scroll down again and select Google Account Settings. This will load a new page. Here, navigate to Data and Privacy. Once you enter the Data and Privacy section, give it a moment to load. In this section, use the search bar to look for location history. Click on the first option that appears. After a brief loading period, you will see the timeline feature. To enable location history, click on Turn On. Additionally, make sure to enable the two options underneath it for complete functionality. So that's basically how you can turn on location history in Google Opinion Rewards. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.